Hey guys, in this video I want to show you where to get promo codes for SpotHero. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, open up any web browser and go to Google. Once you're inside Google, type in promo codes for SpotHero. Once you've done that, click search and then you'll be brought to Google search results here. And as you can see, you got third-party sites like Coupon Follow, Retail Me Not, Don't Pay Full, etc, etc. You can check out any one of these places to get promo or discount codes, but one I really like to use is called Coupon Follow. So as you can see, it's 20% off in June. I'm making this video in June. And if I scroll down here inside Coupon Follow, you can see all the different deals. You got 10% off your first reservation, get 15% off airport parking, SpotHero coupon 20% off your order, and these codes change daily or weekly, so be sure to check them out those times. So to activate any one of these offers, simply click into the offer. So I'm going to click into SpotHero coupon 20% off your order, and now from here what you want to do is click on copy and now paste this code at the checkout section of SpotHero to activate your 20% off your order.